how to create a Gmail account without phone number. So in some cases it's possible, in some country it's possible. For example, while creating an account, let's go and click on create an account for my personal use here. It will ask my name, so I'll just enter my name here. Now again click on next. We have to select the month and the date here, right, gender, and just go and click on next. Right now here it will ask what your email should be, so I will just write here my, right, and just go and click on next. Now here we have to create your password, so let me just create my password here. Now click on next. Now here it will ask you to enter a phone number. Now you can just enter your phone number, or you can go to the some website which is temp phone number, right, and you can use this platforms here, but generally Google doesn't allow, so you have to buy a subscription from some of the good for example, I can just write here, right, temporary mobile subscriber identify, and from here you can just buy it, and in this way you can get it, right. For example, if I just go and click on open, right, and I will just copy this number, paste it, and just go and click on next, right. Okay, so here I have to select United States here. Let me just go to the bottom, and in this way you can just add it, but you cannot skip this part, because while making your email address or Gmail address, you have to have enter your phone number. Without phone number you can't make a ID. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.